Hello guys, welcome back to Medico Travelogram. So today I am gonna take a vlog related to flat. This flat is for students. Okay, last time I shooted a video related to apartment only, but that was for tourists. Like they can book the flat through Airbnb. So this flat is for students, Indian students, Arab students, Nigerian students, whoever want, foreign students who are studying here. They can take the apartment for rent. So this flat is for example, like the students who want to come here, they can watch this video and they can understand how the 2 BHK look like. This is a 2 BHK apartment. So let's start the video. So guys, I am outside the flat. Now I will show you. So this is the entrance. From here I came. This is another flat nearby. So this is the flat. So this is 2 BHK, and so I came from here. This is the bathroom. Later I will show you. So like this is the hall. See, this is the hall. Here we can see TV, fridge, oven, everything, and sofas, table, AC also there. And here you can see the kitchen is the open type one. So here is the cupboard, so we can keep the vessels and everything. And there is the balcony. There only I took the introduction. And this one is the room. So here you can see bed. See, bed. 2 beds are there. And here cupboard here also. See, this is the cupboard. So yeah, this is the balcony. Heater, balcony view. Normally we students take this kind of flat if we are taking 2 BHK, this kind of flat. So last time you saw it was little luxurious flat. Okay, so it is meant for tourists only, to like daily rent purpose. But this kind of flats are for students and some other people who want to stay for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year here as rent. So this kind of flat they give for rent for students. Normally we people live here. Yeah, I will show you the another bedroom. Okay, so this is the flat. And here comes the bathroom. Mostly bathroom will be like nearby the door, outside door. Wait, where is the, yeah, this mostly inside bathroom there will be washing machine, so bathing area and sub है. So normally every flat will be like this. Guys, now we saw the bathroom. So you know that this is the front door. So from here if I am going, The here you can see one bedroom. This bedroom I didn't show. Here is the hall and everything I already show. So this bedroom we will see. Okay, so this is the bedroom. See, so here you can see this is the heater. During winter time we use heaters. So cupboard also there. So I hope this video will be helpful for the students who want to come here, who want to stay apartments. So this is an example. This apartment is an example for the flats in which Indian students, other students are staying. Yeah, here also, here there is no balcony, but you can see, there you can see black stone. Nice view from here. Yeah guys, so the video is this much only. So yeah, so guys, the video is this much only. I hope this video will help you. So if you want to find flats, you can search myhome.g or ss.g. Okay, so there you can see so many flats, apartments, and you can contact the number. There will be number, so you can contact numbers. Mostly it will be agents number, so you can contact agents there, and they will help you in finding the flats. Okay, bye bye, take care.